Ito na mga idol, ang pinakahihintay nating laban ngayong araw. Ito ay ang laban ng isa sa Philippine prospect ng Pilipinas. Ito ay ang bakbakan ni Gerald Into laban kay sa Natalie Toltayev. Ito ay bakbakan ng Pilipinas versus Kazakhstan mga idol. Ang labang ito para mga idol is puro undefeated na boksingero. Ang Pinoy dyan na si Gerald Into mga idol is ang naka green gloves, tapos ang Kazakhstani is naka gold gloves. Nice. Ito palang Kazakhstani mga idol is may kartadang 3 wins at 2 knockouts. Habang itong si Gerald Into ay may kartadang 12 wins at 9 na KO. Mas batak na itong si Gerald Into sa larangan ng professional boxing mga idol. Pero itong si Toltayev, batak ito sa amateur. Kaya naman hindi pa masyado mataas ang kanyang experience sa professional boxing. Uy! Uy, hindi narinig. Patuloy pa rin sumusuntok maski ano. Oh, hindi narinig. Walang warning ref. Bingi ata tong Kazakhstani. Ito pala ay phase 2 na ng WBC tournament mga idol. Nice. Nice double hook ba Into? Uy! Bagsak si Into! Natsambahan pa. Sayang. Kaya pa to. Kaya pa to makabawi yung idol. Chicklip hook yung ano, nakadali kay Into. Ito na round 2 mga idol. Natsambahan pa kanina si Gerald Into sa isang left hook. Sana makabawi itong Pilipino mga idol. Lamang pa naman si Gerald Into kanina sa ano, palitan. Pero isang suntok lang ang nakapagbago sa scorecards ng mga hurado.
Been national champion within his country in Kazakhstan, never quite been the best fighter in his division globally. He's always been stifled at a certain point.
Uy.
Feels as though this tournament really
nice 1-2 ba Into?
Show the world levels of his ability as we saw in the opening round of this contest. Double right hand there from Toltayev to the body and then to the head.
Delikado to sa untugan mga idol. Kasi kalwiti at ano at low blow below the belt. Nice body shot ba Into? Yun. Ganda. Ganda ng palitan. Lamang si Gerald Into sa palitan na yan mga idol. Kaso masyado ng wild ang ano, mga banat ni Into. Nababasa ng ano, Kazakhstani.
Yeah, it's a good point, Brock. I mean, if he was aiming kind of the crease of his elbow at the head of Toltayev, it would be the perfect shot. But he's overreaching on that hook time and time again. Now back to his bread and butter, that heavy jab.
You step in with the jab, and so you should. But if it pushes the opponent back, then you throw the left hand. If it doesn't,
Nice.
short on that left hand
Straight.
and adjust with it.
20 seconds here of round 2. Good bounce back round.
Sanay itong Kazakhstani sa ano? Sa yakapan kasi ano, lumalaban rin ito sa octagon eh. Amateur.
Late knockdown as he steps in with a well-timed jab once more. And that'll do it for round 2.
Just like the Canuck fight. You know, get it
Ito na mga idol, round number 3.
your opponent.
Lamang si Toltayev sa ano, open scoring ng mga horado ng WBC mga idol.
As you heard the scores
Lamang siya via unanimous decision. Kailangan ni Into talaga ano,
on your screen.
makabawi. Dahil to sa ano, knockdown kanina,
19 and
dun sa round 2.
for Toltayev.
I mean round 1.
Those 19 to 18 scorecards, obviously, that would suggest that Into was given that last round by those two judges. So, nice boost of confidence.
Nice.
To
Nice one to ba Into?
Said that landed a nice little 1-2 there as well. Into.
Sana makabawi si Into dito mga idol.
the only Filipino fighter to advance the round of 32 here in the tournament. Countryman Rich Piala, Crisolito Beltran, we referenced in the last fight, were both bounced in the opening round. Last remaining hope
Nice body. Nice.
number one
Yun.
seed, Gerald Into.
Magandang mga banat ni Into.
Another good round here in the third. Back comes Toltayev. The left hook over the top.
Just waiting too long till tired. I know the reach is a problem for him.
Pero bumabawi din itong si Toltayev mga idol. Parang si ano, Roslan.
Into the throws.
Roslan tong lumalaban. Parang estilo ni Roslan. Ano yun? Rosman Povaldekov. Parang ganun na estilo. Woo! Delikado.
Left hook.
Yun na naman ang left hook na yun. Yung nakadali kay Into.
Sequence here.
Buti na lang
For Sanatalo.
sa gloves tumama.
Trying not to let the momentum of this fight get away from him. Got a hefty lead on one scorecard at the very least. If you're wondering, by the way, about the seeding, the number one seed we've attributed to Gerald Into coming into this tournament, it's because coming into the tournament, he was ranked
Oh, nice body by Into.
by the WBC. Of course, we always talk about the world rankings as ending
Uy, back of the head.
extend far beyond
Yay, kanina pa yan.
that ranking.
Point deduction ref.
Will be admonished there.
Yay.
Into was given as the number one seed in this tournament.
He is one of the
Kanina pa yan eh. Madaya tong ano,
in this tournament. Most guys have
itong Kazakhstani eh.
like Toltayev, 3-0, 5-0.
Oh,
Rough stuff.
maski break sumusuntok.
He's gonna have to be careful. He's been warned a couple times.
I meant to say Into.
Round 4 underway.
Ito na mga idol, round number 4.
Gerald Into back to action with a left hand down the middle. All right, we're gonna send it over to Claudia Trejos, who has
Ang kagandahan lang nito ni Gerald Into mga idol is aktibo siya sa jab. Hindi nakakalimot sa jab. Pero ito lang Kazakhstani is maganda ang kanyang counter punching mga idol. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Nice combo by Into.
Obviously, we wish for a speedy recovery
Nice.
for both fighters.
Nice body shot by Into.
Obviously, to continue with his career, and for Utria to continue
Ay,
with his
tinamaan
tournament, a
si
broken
Into
hand.
doon.
Something to worry about for a guy that probably looked like one of the tournament favorites coming out of that fight.
Yeah, the catastrophic that will. You can't. It's the full out, or you can't use it to full effect in the next round.
Matibay din itong Kazakhstani, maski tinamaan ng solido.
Yeah, Toltayev
Inabsorb lang niya.
get in the
Oh,
kitchen with a little
back of the head na naman.
here and again.
Walang, uy,
He puts it from the outside.
sinasadya na yun, ref.
That was
Deduction, nice, deduction. Nice. Nice, madaya kasi itong boxingerong to eh.
I mean, you might be right, but from my angle here, it looked like
Palagi niyang ginagawa yan. Maski naka-break na is sumusuntok ba?
from the referee is, and from what's been happening, I can see why you've seen that, and he might be right, by the way. If only we had some sort of technology where we can see what.
They haven't invented that yet.
I watched an amateur tournament on the weekend, and not to see replays freaked me out. You'd be watching it live, you also can't see a replay.
Right.
We're spoiled, aren't we?
Nice. Uy,
There from Toltayev into just missed with a home run shot of his own.
naka-apir pero tinamaan pa ng sulit si Into sa
Picking up the pace, forcing his
hook.
back against the ropes.
Yan, na corner si Into.
For the Thailand and right hand as well.
Kailangan talaga sumuntok ni Into dito.
And that was a game of milliseconds. Whoever got there first in that exchange was going to hurt their opponent, and it was Toltayev who got to his mark before into.
Toltayev's kind of letting him off the hook right now, getting him out of the corner. Allowing him
Epektibo ang lifok ni Toltayev. Oh, nice. Tumama rin siya ni.
Just looking for that clean shot. I know they only look for that one big punch to finish it off, but sometimes
Pero napakalinis ng mga lifok ni Toltayev eh.
sometimes you gotta force it rather
Nasasaktan talaga si Into.
it seems like he's more comfortable slipping a shot than throwing a punch. More comfortable countering rather than just going combination.
Body language of Into right now looking a lot more ragged than it was in the early rounds here. And
Parang humihina si Kabayan dito mga idol.
Toltayev,
Bumabagal siya.
face of Into starting to mark and swell
Sana makabawi.
as we will come to the end of the round. That point in a moment as we're hearing the open scores.
37. One judge has it 38
Ito na mga idol, round number 5.
for the gold corner, and one judge has it 39 to 35 in the gold corner.
All right, so you heard the scores: 37-37 on one car, 38-36, and 39 to 35 for Toltayev. We have them now in front of us, and
Ito na mga idol, ang unofficial scorecard ng mga ang open scoring ng WBC is tabla. Tabla ang score mga idol, 37. Kaya may malaking chance si Into dito.
a bit more. That's when he really just
Yun ay dahil sa sa point deduction,
sometimes he disguises
yung nanuntok sa batok itong Kazakhstani.
from Into though.
all right, so we did just receive confirmation as well that the instant replay that is available here at the WBC Grand Prix, they can review point deductions like that and make recommendations. But after reviewing the replay there, it was determined that the official had made the right call.
Uy,
Going
nice.
back to the point I was making earlier, Barry, and you were alluding to it, I think the referee was also seeing that there was kind of a general aura of kind of unruliness from Toltayev. There were a couple fouls, and I think that just looking at the way the Into reacted, it was the right
Maganda ang
call.
puso nito si Into, mga idol.
That's what he was reacting on.
Pilit na lumalaban maski maski parang pagod na.
And he was in the perfect position to see that it did land on the ear, on the back of the head.
Especially when your opponent turns his back like that. There's no real shot for you with that.
Na-straight ba Into?
You'd have to land in the back of the head. So it only made sense for him to take that point away because you weren't even trying to land a legal shot in his eyes.
Nice.
Left hook there from Toltayev. Just threw away the right hand, got full leverage on that left hook. Credit to Into for taking that one and moving forward.
Tumama si Into sa body shot doon pero tumama rin si Toltayev sa
To try and throw
ang kanyang hook.
or something, but waited too long and just give him a tag of the hit. Into got to put 1-2 down the line. Big long shots like he was at the start of the contest.
Ay, body shot.
You should reach
Tinamaan sa body shot si Kabayan.
as fast as they go out.
30 seconds remaining in the round.
Oh, nice. Nice.
With another left hook. Looked like Into got there first. The short shot of his
Mayabang tong Kazakhstani oh.
under the eye
Oh,
Toltaev now, maybe courtesy
nagyayabang.
of that shot.
Ay, tinamaan sa kabayan sa 1-2.
Round. And Intu's gonna need some big stuff. Like that
Nice.
shot. If he wants to pull this one out, but Toltaev,
Ito na mga idol, round number 6, final round.
sixth and final round here. Sanatali Toltaev.
Sana ma-pull out ito ni Gerald Into kasi tabla yun kanina eh. Tabla ang scoring ng mga hurado ng WBC
Some messiness
sa open scoring.
production. Firmly in the
Sabi pa ng
Toltaev.
coach ni Gerald Into is patay na pong patay
Hustle here in the final round.
dito sa last round.
When you get tired,
Kailangan na daw ibuhos na lahat ni Gerald Into ang kanyang lakas sa round na ito.
when you got someone until tired,
Kasi last chance na to eh.
very good.
Dahil kung matatalo siya is knockout system kasi to.
On the stretch there, it makes it
Out na siya sa tournament kung matatalo siya dito.
There's still a little bit of jeopardy with it to the way he commits to a shot, but powerful.
Kaya dapat niyang ibigay na lahat dito sa round nito mga idol.
Chin of Intu's been
Nice. Nice upper.
after getting knocked down in the first round.
Dangerous looking shot there from Intu a moment ago. Toltaev really ducking into that uppercut from Intu as he lands a nice counter left hook with his back in the corner.
Mabilis kasing kamay nitong Kazakhstani. Kaya nauuna siya sa counter. Sige, nice. Nice job.
Just can't get his hands on it, can he? Into
Uy,
he had Toltaev ready.
hindi pa tumama.
Just can't get the success.
Eh, hindi naman tumama. Sayang. Nice.
Down low and then come up high with a left hook.
Ay, ay! Overhand, timaan si Into pero hindi masyadong solid.
Counter came with the left hand instead of the right hand. Beautiful overhand.
Turned it all the way over too.
Delikado si Into dito.
A minute
Nice.
of this contest. Toltaev going back to the body with a nice right hand.
Nice body ba Into?
Intu's gonna have to find something big here. What can he do to try and set that up, Barry? You got 30 seconds to hit a home run. What do you do?
30 seconds.
You don't think you can do that? You take that city risk, you get knocked out. You're not going to do that, are you? He's out
30 seconds na lang para deciding match mga idol.
That's all.
Right, but if you can't go to the body, you're missing up top a lot. But go to the body. The body's there. He's slipping you
Nice straight.
from moving his head up top, but the body's there.
10 seconds.
Final 10 seconds. of the
Dapat
contest.
buhos na dito ni Into. 10 seconds.
An excellent performance from Sanatali Toltaev. The 25.
All for your winner by unanimous decision.
Unanimous decision mga idol.
Sanatali.
Ay, talo si Gerald Into mga idol. Sayang. Better luck next time mga idol. Talo tayo dito.